Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have not uploaded any videos from last few days. The reason is I joined a job that is 9 to 5 in a research paper publication writing company. So uh, I was so busy in my 9 to 5 job. Now I'm uploading video for a DRDO internship. As many DRDO labs released advertisement for 6-month internship with stipend. So in this video, we are going to talk about DRDO Young Scientist Lab Artificial Intelligence that is in Bangalore. So applications are invited from bright and young students for a 6-month paid internship to work in research areas of national importance. So the discipline for the internship is AI, ML, data science, computer science, and engineering or equivalent. So the number of vacancies are 5. So essential qualification is B.Tech final students are eligible or MSc MTech ongoing in one of the discipline mentioned above with the minimum first division marks in the previous semester. So the duration of the internship is 6 months and the place of work is DRDO Young Scientist Lab Artificial Intelligence Dr. Radha Ramna Complex Raj Bhavan Circle High Grounds Bangalore. So yes, this internship will provide you stipend of 5K per month. And the selection process is interview based selection. Only shortlisted candidate will be called for the interview. And many people are asking, ma'am, if I'll do internship, if I'll do contract based job, so will I get job? So the answer is no. Here it is mentioned that the internship is purely temporary. It does not confer any right for absorption in DRDO. And number of internship may vary depending on the LAM's requirement. It can be increased, it can be decreased. So what you have to do is you have to send the application form to accounts.dysai@gov.in. Duly filled application form within 15 days from the date of publication, that is 15th of July. So here is some guidelines like the internship period ranges from 4 weeks to 6 months. Minimum you can do is 4 months, maximum you can do is 6 months. However, only the candidates offered internship for the duration period of 6 months will be eligible to receive a stipend of 5K per month. Okay, if you are doing internship for 6 months, then only you'll get stipend. If you do for 4 weeks, then you will not get. So the stipend of the internship duration will be paid through electronic transfer in two equal installment. That is 15K after completion of third month and then 15K after the completion of 6 months. So okay, if you're thinking that you will get 5K per month, so it's not like that. When you complete your 3 months, then you'll get 15K. After completion of 3 months, you will get 15K. How it is distributed? So the internships will be provided for fields relevant to DRDO's research. And okay, Mm, no leave except sick leave on the production of valid prescription will be given to the candidate. So as many people are thinking, okay, I'll join the internship and I'll not go for the attendance and I will not do this internship. I'll just enroll it. So it's not like this. They'll ask a prescription. If you have, then it's okay. Otherwise, they'll cut your stipend or I don't know what is their criteria. But you have a valid prescription if you are taking a leave. So, for, so thank you. Please do subscribe my channel.